Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Cynthia Lewa. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, you know how we do it. Thank you also for stopping by. Yes, on today's tutorial, I had fun creating this beautiful look and I'm feeling it. Seriously, I am liking it. Everything is just on fleek. So if you want to know how I created this look, just follow me. Let's go and rub minds together, oh my goodness, see, each time I smile the lipstick smears on my teeth. Anyway, just follow me, let's go and have some fun. Okay, so guys, today I decided to do my eyes before doing my face. The eyeshadow palette I'm gonna be using today, it's my Jaclyn Hill palette. And first of all, I'm gonna go in with this dark shade. Now this is called Tempest. Guys, now I'm gonna be using G-Money and Grateful. I'm gonna use it to blend out this black shade so that it won't be too dark and too concentrated. So I'm gonna start placing them here. So guys, I'm gonna be taking Crazy, which is this shade, and I'm also gonna just put it right here just to intensify this black. I don't know what I'm looking like now, but let's try to blend out these two shades down here. So guys, after blending that off, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my crease just like I did on this eye. Guys, after cutting that crease, I'm gonna go in with my man, which is this, and which is this, and filling myself, which is this. So this and this, because when you're with your man, you feel yourself. So I'm with my man and I'm feeling myself. So let's go there. We start packing in and pack in, pack. So between guys who would love to see me do a makeup video using my dialect, my Igbo language. So I'm just gonna keep packing in just like on these eyes. The next shade I'm gonna be going in is with this. This is lemon, right? This lemony shade right here, green, lemony green. Anyway, this shade right here from Into It. So I'm just gonna use my finger because I tried using the brush, but it's not giving me a very good result, and I am not liking it. So I'm gonna be placing it. Ooh, just right here. It's actually very pigmented, but because I used brushed here, it didn't show very well. Now look at here, it's showing very well, very properly. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab that in. How can I just fold my finger so that somebody not gonna look like an imbecile? That's more like it. I think that's more like it, guys. Now that that is done, really, Now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter, and this is in a silver color, Glam Rock. So I'm gonna use it to just line out this cut crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these little stars right here. It didn't give me exactly the shape I wanted. I don't know why, but this is my first time of trying. So I guess next time I will do something about it. Anyway, on that place I removed that star, I'm just gonna place a little glitter there. Guys, now using an eyeliner pencil, liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lid. Guys, now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my foundation, and today's foundation is the Blackup foundation. I'm using Blackup foundation today, and this is the Fondant Fluid are you kidding me? Magnifying Fluid Foundation. Guys, I'm gonna be using my Stila Cosmetics Shape and Shade Custom Dough Contour in the shade Deep, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be taking the dark shade and I'm gonna be applying my contour. I'm gonna go ahead and start blending the contour out. Guys, I'm gonna be using my foundation brush to just clean off this excess contour and make everything blend out very well, the harsh lines. So now I'm gonna be applying my concealer from Juvias Place, and this is in the shade 13. So now I'm gonna be using my beauty blender, guys, to blend out this concealer. I'm looking at time, guys, because my kids have online lessons this morning and it's almost time. I'm trying to rush. So guys, I'm gonna be setting my whole face with my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Cinnamon Bun. Oof. Cinnamon Bun, guys. So I'm just targeting all the places I applied that concealer. I'm just gonna be setting them with this powder. So now I'm gonna be using my Juvias Place Kalahari setting powder. I am Magic setting powder in Kalahari, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna be baking my under eyes with this powder. What in the world? I'm trying to open this. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my beauty blender. I'm gonna be taking the product and I'm gonna set. Much. So guys, I'm gonna be bronzing using Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I'll be using this shade Yara. Now I'm gonna be wiping off this powder using my powder brush. So guys, from Juvia's place, the Saharan Blush Volume 1, I'm gonna be applying my blush using this Toby. I'll be using Toby as my blusher, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right here. Wow. For my under eyes, I'm gonna be going with the dark shade, which is Tempress. So I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna apply it. Then I'm gonna go in with this Crazy. I'm gonna apply it just right here. And I'm gonna go in with My Man and Feeling Myself. And I'm gonna apply those ones just right here. So guys, for my highlighter, I'll be using my Juvia's Place, the Royalty 2 highlighter. The Royalty 2 highlighter. And this is what it looks like. So guys, for my waterline, I'll be using this Kohl eye pencil. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline. So it's a black eye pencil. I'll be lining my lips with my lip pencil. Now I'm going to be using this lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. This is a peachy brown from L'Oreal Paris, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to be using my MAC Cosmetics lipstick, which is called Meltdown, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to be applying it right on top of that peachy brown. So guys, for my lower lashes, I'll be using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I have to raise my hand fan very well. I'm going to be finishing up this look with my setting spray. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Ooh. We've come to the end of this of today's tutorial, and this is what we're able to create. this is our look for today. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it motivates you to create something today during this lockdown or in this lockdown. I hope you like this video. For me, I actually like it. I like the shimmers, I like the glitters, I just like everything about the look. This eyeliner is it didn't come to play. I really like it and I enjoyed filming this video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I did enjoyed filming it. So I'm a bit of in a rush today because my kids are about to start their online classes and I don't want them to miss it or start late because of me. So you can call these lashes hand fan. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, this is the right time to do so. Just press the red subscribe button and join my family. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and yes, I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all. Stay safe, stay home, and bye.